Today we're going to answer the question, are the rumored Apple glasses, are they going to flop or not? And we're going to answer that right now. What's up everyone, it's Jason here with Red Bee Labs, and we got a lot of information today about rumored Apple glasses. Now this information comes from Jon Prosner. He is the host of Front Page Tech, and he has gotten a lot of things right. He's got a lot of information about the iPhone 12. He's got a lot of information just about Apple in general. And I'm sure Apple is not happy with that. Now, as I said, the name is the Apple Glass. And I guess Apple just wanted to be straight to the point. Now, both lenses will be displays. And for a cost, of course, you'll be able to get prescription lenses in them as well. They will also come with the LiDAR feature for augmented reality. They will be equipped with wireless charging. Also, both lenses will be able to interact with different gestures that you have. I don't know what kind of gestures Apple's going to do, but I'm sure they'll be very innovative, you know, something easy so that you don't look like a crazy person out in public. The price is going to be $499. You know, these things are going to launch in about early to late 2021 or early 2022. Okay, so are the rumored Apple glasses, are they going to be a flop or not? In my opinion, not. Apple has a huge following, and this to me really seems like some innovation, and people have been screaming for this for a while. I mean, Apple's come up with the AirPods, which I thought were very innovative, but you know, people scoff at that and, you know, just say they're just the headphones or whatever. But no, they're amazing for me. I think that if I can get my notifications, if I can get some interaction with different apps, maybe maps, some augmented reality, that'll be really all I need. I mean, you know, I have a couple questions. Will I be able to get all my notifications just right on the screen? Also, if I can get those, are they going to be distracting while I'm walking around or driving? Is there going to be a special feature that cuts them off and when they notice you're driving? Will it be flexible to partially replace my iPhone? I mean, will I have to walk around with my Apple Watch, my AirPods, and my phone? I mean, or will that take away maybe one or two of the products? Which leads me to my last question. Now, will they be able to have some kind of incorporation to where I don't have to have the AirPods? You know, where I just wear the glasses and I can have like a little attachment go into my ears so I can listen and take calls. I mean, because to me that would be pretty awesome. Now I know Apple doesn't want to compete with itself and take any market share away from the AirPods or the Apple Watch, but I just think that if you have a product that's got like a all-in-one solution or similar to an all-in-one solution, people will flock to that and they'll pay good money for that, which will kind of help the cost or the loss that you're having on the other products. And everyone's different. I mean, some people aren't going to want to have glasses on. You know, when I was younger, I had to wear glasses all the time. Then I finally got LASIK surgery, which, thank you. So now I can see, you know, so why would I want to go back to glasses? I mean, I'm into technology and I think it'll be kind of cool, but other people are going to be like, why would I want to go back to glasses or anything like that? All right, guys, in my opinion, again, this is definitely not going to be a flop. Apple has millions and millions of followers, and they're going to snatch those and things are going to fly off the shelves. I mean, the potential for this thing is just beyond belief. Also, Apple gave the people what they wanted. They wanted innovation, and boom, here we go. I'm giving you innovation. My only issue will be if Apple expects me to have the glasses on, my AirPods on, my Apple Watch on, and carrying on my phone. It just seems like a lot of redundancy there. One other thing I'm really excited about is how Apple will use it. I mean, since I know nothing much about it, I just want to know how they're going to display applications, how developers will even go and change their apps for the screens. Now, if I can get my hands on it, I will be picking it up on launch. And I will have crazy videos for you guys, crazy in-depth videos, so definitely stay tuned. Leave me a comment below and just let me know, are you guys going to pick it up and why? If you found value in this video, please click that subscribe button and that notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any new content that I release. Also, if you could smash that like button, leave me a comment or two, and share this video, you will be an awesome, awesome person, and I will definitely appreciate it. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.